there's going to be this square. Okay, there's going to be one formula you're going to have to memorize from, or actually be able to find the book I'm going to be showing. So here's the open circuit voltage. There we are. Are those probes? You look at the probes. Positive is on the bottom. Negative is on the top. And the cell is about 0.6 volts. So it's about half a volt or so. Okay. Are you with me so far? So, and then we have the short circuit current. We already talked about it. For tests, for a lot of tests, I think they make you memorize the conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius.
9/5.
You just maybe have to memorize that.
5/9.
Or just all think in Celsius. Everybody thinks in Celsius. Maybe life will be better if